What's up, gentlemen? So today, actually, wow, you smell incredible. Like, seriously, what are you wearing? Is it Rebel? See what I did there? I gave you a compliment. How'd you feel, right? It makes you feel good. That's the beautiful thing about compliments. All right, there are 3 reasons why you should compliment more people. Number 1, it feels good to get them. It feels good to give them. Number 2, it's impossible to not like somebody who gives them a compliment. It's literally like impossible. And the 3rd reason is that it's going to make you more attractive. The problem is that a lot of compliments that guys give are a little bit weird, creepy, and make you look awkward. Today, guys, I'm going over my list of the best compliments that don't feel forced, they don't feel like a cheesy pickup line, and they're not gonna make you come across as creepy. I'm gonna break the video up into 2 parts. Part number 1, I'm gonna go over some compliments that are amazing if you're interested in dating or getting to know somebody better. All right, the second part, I'm gonna go over some compliments that are a little bit more professional. You like somebody maybe at work or in a professional environment, and these are gonna be basically okay to give, still make the person feel great, but not gonna get you in trouble with HR. And if you stick around to the very end of the video, I'm actually gonna go over some compliments that you can give somebody that you're already dating, that she wants to be complimented on, that aren't just like, hey, you got nice boobs, all right? And real quick, speaking of compliments, if you want more compliments on how you smell, I've got a link down below to the deal. You're gonna get Rebel, you're gonna get the free travel sprayer for $30, all right? Both of these amazing fragrance powerhouses, $30, all right? Rebel is inspired by Creed Aventus. I was loving getting all the compliments from Creed. I wasn't loving spending $500 on a bottle. So I went to the lab, I developed Rebel. It is not a clone or a copy, but it is heavily inspired. I'm also gonna throw in this bad boy. It is a refillable travel sprayer, right? The way that it works is genius. All you do, you pop it off, right? And this works on any fragrance, all right? And then simply pump it up, all right? You're filling up this little reservoir inside so that when you're ready to smell amazing, you got a hot date because the compliments worked, you are ready to go. This is great for gym bags, it's great for the car, it is great for traveling, so you don't have to bring your big bottle. Gentlemen, $30. Down below, if you have already grabbed the Rebel and you want another fragrance, I also have Icon down there that you can grab this deal on. It's inspired heavily by Millésime Imperial, another one of my favorite fresh fragrances from Creed. Guaranteed these are gonna get you a ton of compliments, and when you get compliments, it feels amazing. So number 1, you're really easy to talk to. This is super underrated and really powerful. It lets them know that you're comfortable around them and talking to them. It also makes them feel like they've set you at ease, which is something that's also very attractive. Number 2 is, I like your vibe. Vibe is a really good word, and it also leaves it open to interpretation. If they say, well, what do you mean? You can follow it up with something a little more specific, but saying and complimenting somebody's vibe is really just about aura, it's about presence, it's about style, it's about attitude. It really encompasses like everything. But it avoids any type of like sexual like connotation. And that's one of the hardest things when it comes to complimenting a woman, right? A lot of guys are like, oh, you're beautiful. Oh, I like this, I like that. Or they want to compliment something physical. When the truth is, the best compliments that you can give somebody has nothing to do with the physical appearance. You've got a great sense of humor. Boom, powerful. Why? There are 2 things that sense of humor incorporates: timing and intelligence. All right, sense of humor is one of those things that is incredibly attractive. It's also very sexy, but it's non-sexual. Every woman wants to be with a guy that has a good sense of humor. Same thing for guys, right? Women that are attractive and have good senses of humor are like next level in terms of attraction. Next up is, you're more grounded than I expected. This one's kind of quirky, and it also opens it up for interpretation. And she may come back and say, well, why? Why didn't you think I'd be grounded? And you can say something like, I don't know, usually the pretty ones aren't, or people that look like you, typically, I have found in my experience, aren't really grounded. It's a very low-key compliment that allows her to basically press you for more information. It's slightly intriguing without feeling like you're manipulating them, all right? It also feels very genuine. Just don't overuse it. Don't say that to everybody. You've got great taste. Another one that I absolutely love, and so will she. The reason is because it reaffirms her decisions. It reaffirms anything that you want it to basically mean. It could be style, it could be music, it could be, hair, makeup, like whatever. It's a powerful compliment. And the last one that I absolutely love is, you're fun to be around. Simple, human, real. It also symbolizes and signifies attraction without pressure. You know, when it comes to dating, women choose men that aren't necessarily the best looking. They choose men that are fun to be around, have good sense of humor, and that are well put together, and that make them feel good about themselves. And that's one of the reasons why compliments are such an amazing thing. But they a lot of times can fall into the creepy category if you're not careful, all right? Those 6 are rock stars, all right? The next group of compliments I want to tell you about are ones that you could give to somebody at work. These work for both men and women, but we're going to go and assume that you've got some spicy senorita you got your eye on in accounting that you want to start talking to a little more. You're good at what you do. It's direct, and people rarely hear this anymore. It's expected. But when you drop that bomb on somebody, they're like, really? Thank you for noticing. And it makes them feel good about the job they're doing, but themselves in general. I trust your judgment. This one is a high value compliment. It signals confidence, it signals respect. And when somebody says that to you, right, I trust your judgment, right? What do you feel? You feel good because you're like, okay, yeah, like I do have a level head on my shoulder, or yeah, I am smart, or yeah, I do make good decisions. You handle pressure well. Another powerful compliment, especially in the workforce. It signals that you are aware of the fact that it's hard doing their job and that they handle themselves with grace, poise, and dignity. You make things easier. In the professional world, this one is like the nuts because it says that in a world of people are kind of a mess or not doing their job, this person makes things easier for you and everybody around them. It signals competence, reliability, and effectiveness. This is super professional. And the last professional one that I love is I respect how you handled that. All right, this one again is really good. And the reason why I love this one is that it's basically acknowledging a situation that may have come up with the person and possibly something else, but it basically is reassuring them that they made the right decision. And again, in a leadership environment or in a professional realm, this one goes a long way. Most people don't hear this. And once again, the best compliments aren't hyping people up. They're not overpraising. They're basically making somebody relax and feel good about themselves, decisions they've made, or their job and the way that they do it. Does that make sense? All right, anyway, the next group of compliments are ones that you should use if you are in a relationship with somebody that she wants to hear, all right? Number 1, something about her booty, all right? Whether or not it's, hey, those pants look amazing on you, that's code for your ass looks great, all right? Every woman is self-conscious about their booty. That one, amazing, all right? Another one is about hair. Your hair looks incredible today. All women spend time, money, energy trying to make their hair sexy as hell. And most guys don't notice. But if you notice or just say like, wow, your hair really looks great today, amazing. Another one, you look beautiful even without makeup. Or I think you look the most beautiful in the morning when you first wake up. Even if she looks rough, right? Doesn't matter. By saying that, she's going to be like, no, oh my God, I'm hideous. No, baby, oh my God, right? That one goes a long way. Another one, you're amazing in bed, all right? Here's the deal. Everybody wants to feel like they're the champ when it comes to like doing their thing, right? You want somebody to tell you, you're amazing, right? It makes you feel good, right? But same thing goes for her. A lot of times when you're in the moment, like, oh, groaning and doing that thing, right? That's fine. And if that's part of like your whole like naughty talk and dirty talk, great, go with it. Don't stop. But the real compliment comes after the fact, right? The next day or 3 days later or sending a text, sweet text the next day, right? That is where it really hits because it makes them feel good, like they did a good job. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy. You want more, and so let her know how incredible she is, and she's gonna wanna do those things again more frequently, all right? Even if you wanna be like, oh my God, when you were like going down, that was the best BJ, whatever, right? I'm just telling you, these are things that she wants to hear. She wants to feel like that she is amazing at whatever she is doing. And if you're in a relationship, and if you're in a new relationship, it's important and it's easy to do, and a lot of guys are overly complimentary in early days, but after you've been with somebody a while, or you've been married for a long time, bringing back some of these compliments amazing. Keeping it fresh. You've got to keep it fresh. You've got to make her feel beautiful continuously. And so telling her, you look good, right? Does that get it done? Sure. But over time, it loses its luster. Telling her, oh my God, you look amazing in those pants, or you look fantastic, or oh my gosh, you're so sexy, whatever. Use words like sexy and like banging and stuff like that. Amazing. You can send it in the text. You can tell her straight to her face. Bottom line, gentlemen, is that you are amazing. See what I did there? Another compliment.